Morning. The sermon that I produced for today, our team produced for today, was produced Wednesday morning before the events of Wednesday afternoon. So I just wanted to have a quick word with you to highlight what every leader around the nation, whether it be in the pulpit or on the speaker's podium, will be saying today. Yeah, it's a grave time in our nation, and it is a time for all of us to look inward and outward. Look inward for the better angels that we can offer, and look outward towards tolerance and understanding of those with whom we disagree. The 20th century is known as the American century. After World War I, and especially after World War II, America was without question the leader on the world stage, offering guidance for democracy and individual continued march towards individual freedoms. The question is, will the 21st century be? Will it be an American century or someone else's century? And I hope it'll be the American century, but it will be built upon our ability to find unity. That doesn't mean we always agree, but it does mean that we agree to disagree and we proceed with our disagreements in an orderly, constitutional, legal manner. So let us pray that our country will find the common ground, the common heritage, the common vision for the future. And the sermon this morning has to do with finding commonality, and I hope it will be meaningful to you. God bless you, and may God strengthen us as a nation richly blessed, a nation specifically called to be a light unto the nations. God bless you.